Welcome back to Deep South EDC. We got a mail call. So we just got this sent to us by our #1 fan, my mother. So we got the SOG Aegis FLK, Aegis FLK, however you say that. Anyway, let's take a look back here. It says stonewashed sharp blade. Glad it's sharped. Kick opening mechanism. Frame lock mechanism. Stainless steel handle, reversible low carry pocket clip. So it looks like the blade steel is 8CR13 MOV, so it is that premium Chinesium. Got an overall length of 7.9 inches, blade length of 3.38 inches, and a stonewash finish. So you guys who watch the channel know that I am not necessarily a fan of the stonewash finish. So let's get into this thing, and we'll just do a couple of preliminary testings. All right, today's package opening device, that Leatherman Free. Just get us a little bite in there. There we go. Now, I remember when these knives came out, they were like budget remakes of all of their other knives, but things aren't very budget these days. So I'll get you guys a price up on screen because I didn't look it up before the video. And then, of course, as always, there'll be a link in the description of where to get one of these if you want. All right, got a little tip protector there. All right, let's check that bad boy out. Not bad looking at all. Holds up pretty nice. Kicks out pretty nice. Now I do like my knives to have a little thumb stud here because I do like to flick them out with my thumb like that, but you know, that's cool too. So it does have some strong action, or not strong action, but easy action, and it does lock up pretty strong. It's pretty smooth. So we can see here that the frame lock, you know, seems to lock it up pretty good. Got a good hunk of that blade in there. Let's see how sharp it is. Let's do the old Southern sharp test here. Oh yeah. Like butter, this thing is shaving sharp. Not bad at all. All right, I was a little underprepared today, so I didn't bring too many things to test, but what I got here is just a piece of butcher paper here. Oh yeah, that glides right through that paper. Nice and easy. You know it's a sharp knife if it goes through the paper nice and easy, because I suck at these paper tests. I cannot do them for the life of me. All right, just got your standard 550 cord here. Let's just put a little knot in here real fast. Just cut through the knot. Oh yeah, like nothing. There you go. So not bad. We'll try to carry it around for a couple of days and see how it does. See if it's worth adding to our budget everyday carry. You know what I mean? And if you watch the channel, you know that the majority of my carry is budget. So thank you for watching the video on the SOG Aegis FLK. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Remember to subscribe and make sure you're notified, and click on the description below and follow all my links in my link tree. Follow me everywhere. Remember, guys, you can find the link to the knife in the description below, and I hope you liked what you saw. Remember, guys, it's a crazy world out there, so remember to stay well regulated, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.